Here we have a clamper circuit connecting a diode to a resistor along with a capacitor. Connectively, these change the DC level of input supply provided to the circuit as we have discussed in one of the previous video of the series. So what does a capacitor do here? The same as it functions, charges and discharges. But as its time constant is provided as R into C, the product of R and C value. So here we provide the condition that its time constant tau must be greater than T by 2, where T is the time period of the waveform provided to the circuit. So this provides the same waveform in the output as is provided in the input. So this is the function of the condition of the time constant provided, and we should have this situation that the capacitor should not be discharged while off state or reverse biased condition of the diode. So with the condition applied of tau is greater than T by 2, we here solve the clamper circuit. So here we have a clamper circuit like given in the diagram. Here we have a capacitor connected with a diode and a resistor as a clamper circuit has, and also input supply is given in the form of digital form from -V to +V with time period of T. So first step is we apply positive cycle of input signal from 0 to T by 2 time interval. So in this condition, the positive cycle is provided. Capacitor gets charged with positive and negative as the input is get into it with the polarity direction positive to negative, and also diode is in forward biased condition, so it will behave like a short circuit. Here we have the equivalent circuit of the circuit provided, and applying KVL, Kirchhoff's voltage law, in the circuit, in the loop, we have plus Vi in the clockwise direction. In the direction of current, we have plus Vi minus Vc, where Vc is we are assuming the voltage drop across the capacitor, not drop actually, it is the voltage that is charged across, that has charged the capacitor. So we have Vi minus Vc equal to 0. So Vi equal to Vc, that is equal to V plus V, the input supply we have provided. Also we can calculate here the V output in the same loop, Vi minus Vc. Here we consider also our V output, so minus V naught equal to 0. So V naught equal to Vi minus Vc, which is equal to V minus V, because our Vc is equal to itself V. So V output comes out to be 0 here. So for positive cycle, V output is 0. Now we solve for the second cycle, that is negative cycle of the input signal. So negative positive provided to the capacitor, and remember we have the condition that capacitor should not be discharged in this situation. So capacitor is that much charged, and now we apply KVL in the equivalent circuit of this, and we have Vi plus V naught plus V equal to 0, as we have in the anti-clockwise direction, in the direction of current. So V naught is equal to minus V minus Vi, and Vi is not but V, because we have taken already the negative sign of the input. So V naught is equal to minus 2V. So for the negative cycle, our output comes out to be minus 2 volt, minus 2V. So now we draw the output waveform as under the input waveform, so that we can compare these both. and as in the input we have positive cycle from 0 to t/2 time interval, and correspondingly in the output we have 0 output, and from t/2 to t interval we have negative cycle in the input waveform, and in the output waveform we have minus negative waveform from 0 to minus 2v. So from 0 to v we have 0 output, from 0 to minus v we have 0 to minus 2v. So we are having here that our DC level of the input waveform is changed as in the output, but our level, that is the difference between the overall difference between the input, that is minus v to plus v, so minus v, that is minus 2v, and also in output we have 0 to minus v, that is also the same as minus 2v. So the total difference, total level is same, but initially we had minus v to v, and finally in the output we have minus 2v to 0. So this is the clamper circuit, this is how a clamper circuit works, and main thing to remember here is that root mean square values remain same, but peak value changes. So this is the clamper circuit working, and next video we will have some numerical problems with some values provided, voltage and resistor and capacitor, everything provided some values, we will solve them. Thank you.